मेरा गुजरात चल रहा है।
तो इंटरनेट बंद कर दे।
इंटरनेट बंद कर दूं?
ऑब्वियसली,
बट व्हाई?
क्योंकि अगर इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं होगा तो पोस्ट नहीं होगा, और अगर पोस्ट नहीं होगा तो ट्रेंड नहीं होगा, और अगर ट्रेंड नहीं हो रहा तो वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। समझे मोटा भाई?
ऑब्वियसली हर प्रॉब्लम का एक ही तो सोल्यूशन होता है। कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा उसे बंद करके चालू कर लो। मोबाइल काम नहीं कर रहा, हाँ बंद करके चालू कर लो। लैपटॉप हैंग हो गया, बंद करके चालू कर लो। देश में राइट्स हो रहे, इंटरनेट बंद करके चालू, बंद ही रहने दो। हाल ही में हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने एक और रूल पास किया, वैसे ही जैसे सारे रूल्स पास करते हैं बिना किसी पब्लिक कंसल्टेशन या डिस्कशन के। On 10th November, the government added a new rule into the temporary suspension of telecom services rule 2017. According to this new rule, internet suspension shall not be in operation for more than 15 days. That's a good thing, right?
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
While this seems like a good decision, this new change fails to incorporate a few more directions that were issued by the Supreme Court earlier during the Anuradha Bhasan versus Union of India case.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए।
Before 2017, the shutdowns were ordered by district magistrates under Section 144 Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. After 2017, temporary suspensions of telecom services rules 2017 was brought in. According to this, only Home Secretary of the country and a Secretary of State's Home Department could pass such an order for the suspension of the internet. And then after the Anuradha Bhasan versus Union of India, the Supreme Court noted that the existing rules neither provide for a review nor a time limitation on these bans. So for the time being, they directed for a review committee which must conduct a periodic review on these suspensions every 7 working days. On 10th November, the new rule was added that limits every internet suspension to 15 days with a periodic review every 7 working days. If you do the maths right, that's like one review in 15 days. Oh, by the way, after the 15th day, the government can suspend the internet again. The government had one job, to make this already complicated rule easier, to follow the instructions. But nahin, aise kaise? It's like you're instructed by Google Maps to go from under the flyover, but you take the flyover anyway. Last year, when CAA bill was passed, there were disagreements and riots across the country. The situation got so bad that internet was shut down in the states of Assam and Meghalaya. You know, a great leader is someone who supports his people during hard times. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भी ऐसा ही किया. He tweeted this for the citizens of Assam. But एक problem थी. When he tweeted this, there was an internet suspension in Assam, and nobody in Assam would actually read the tweet on time.
वाह मोदी जी, वाह वाह।
Since 2012, internet has been suspended over 450 times in India. Until March 2020, 385 internet suspensions were noted. On an average, an internet suspension lasted anywhere between 24 to 72 hours. But you know what's even more interesting? Out of 385, 209 internet shutdowns have no duration data available. ये हम ऐव ही नहीं बोल रहे. There's an actual website called Internet Shutdowns that records these suspensions. We have added the link below the like button. But guess who comes right after India when it comes to suspension of the internet? You got that right, Pakistan. और कुछ ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Like we said, India is on top when it comes to suspension of the internet, followed by Pakistan and Iraq. Jammu and Kashmir have seen the highest number of internet blackouts. When Article 370 was abrogated, there was a presidential order and internet was shut down from 4th August to 4th March. That's 213 days of internet shutdown. Think, यहाँ पे 1 घंटा वाईफाई बंद हो जाए तो हम अपने इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर को कॉल करके परेशान कर देते हैं. वैसे आफ्टर 4th March कुछ ज्यादा बदला नहीं है. The people of Kashmir Valley have limited access to the internet with 2G speed even today. जिस देश में 4G के नाम पे 3G स्पीड मिलती है, उस देश में 2G एक्सेस देके कैसे देश बदलेंगे? We need to understand that there are many businesses that don't have a physical store and survive on the internet only. According to a report by the Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations, 16,315 hours of intentional internet downtime between 2012 and 2017 cost the Indian economy $3 billion. Think of it this way. कल को अगर पूरे देश का इंटरनेट 15 दिन के लिए बंद हो जाए तो आधे इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स विल बी आउट ऑफ जॉब. व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट द एक्सेस टू द इंटरनेट इज एवरीवन्स फंडामेंटल राइट. Banning the internet in the name of national security and public safety at every disagreement is not a part of any democracy.